Hello there, and welcome back to Ultimate Biz Booster. And we are in the process of uh, building a traffic multiplier. Well, actually, we should have built our traffic multiplier, but we want to do some touch ups. And I actually said in the last video that I wanted to actually show you exactly what your page would look like. We went over that in the last video of what your page would look like, and I want to cover what is actually taking place when this is shown. So let me close out some of these windows. But we do need to do some touch-ups, and I'm gonna run over something right quick with you. So now, uh, this is what your page should be looking like. Let me check my time. Okay, this is what your page should be looking like. And what we're going to do is, so now also these banners are advertising other people's stuff as well as advertising your own. So when your page pops up, every time you go to a traffic exchange and you view an ad and they show your ad, this is what happens when your ad pops up on their page. So right here you see the monster splash at the bottom. You also see the traffic ad bar at the bottom. And what the traffic ad bar is going to do is going to create a hit, which is more like a credit, and it's going to create also a point, 2 points. This right here is going to, which is your advanced advertising technology, even though you're advertising for somebody else, if they want to get this, when they click on this is going to take them back to your page. So this is also creating leverage for you as well. This right here, which is explosive traffic, which is inside your rotator, if someone clicks on this, they're also taken to your page as well to sign up under you. And when that ad is shown right here, you also earn another credit. So basically what this page is doing is not only advertising for you, but it's multiplying your credits, because you only clicked one ad. You had your ad shown one time, and when it was shown one time, this is what the people seen, and this in turn generated you more credits. So actually, even though the ad says 10 to 1, 10 times, you can multiply your traffic 10 times, that's actually a understatement, because with this system, the way it's set up, you are going to get way more than 10 times the amount of credits because of how we're setting it up. And we're not through setting this up, but I just wanted to kind of go over. So once you have this, you have the main setup, and this is what multiplies your traffic. So this is the main setup that multiplies your traffic. Now, with all this extra traffic that you're going to be getting, or all these extra credits that you're going to be creating, it is very important that you finish setting this up to where because you cannot advertise on this. So whatever program you're in right now, once you set this up, you're not going to be able to advertise that program on this page. This page is specifically for generating traffic. So here's what you are going to do. The first thing you're going to do is this ad right here, which is your cloaker ad, which should be step number 2. This is what that is that leads to cash in on banners. When they click on this ad, it's going to actually take them to cash in on banners. And in order for them to actually get an account here, they're going to have to click on all of these banners in order to even set up an account. That's what makes this so powerful. So What you're going to do is, once you become a member, you're going to make sure you set up your banner. So you're going to come in right now. You're going to come in and you're going to you're going to start setting up your banners. So that page that I told you to save, uh, let me see where that has your traffic ad bar. This right here, like I say, this is gonna be the one that you are gonna promote. So if you save that, now all you have to do is copy that. And when you come in here to make your banners, this is gonna always be either it's gonna say website URL or target URL. That's gonna always go here. It doesn't really matter what banner information that you use here. You can go take any banner. And a matter of fact, while I'm making this video, I'm going to actually have, there's going to be a place in here where you can actually create your banners. Because I'm just putting this system together, but I'm trying to get it up and running as fast as possible. So I will make sure that there's a link there where you can go and actually create your own banner. And I'm actually going to talk about that a little bit, of how you can create one banner and promote it for the rest of your life, regardless to what you're advertising. It doesn't really matter. So uh, we're going to cover that also. But this is what you're going to do with your banner. So also, I have what I've done. I made me a banner links page, and I put all my banners inside this. So basically, this just makes my job that much easier. So once I go put in that, and I can call this promises. Like I say, you can say C1 or whatever you want to call it. And then you click here and you view the banner. And so this is what the banner will look like. But when they click on that banner, as you can see, that whole page just pops up. But as you can see, that whole page is going to pop up. So this is going to generate more credits. So when you come inside your cash in on banners, you want to make sure that you use this link from this point on every banner you make, whatever it is. So soon as somebody click on that banner, you earn you get more credits. Your credits multiply. So you want to make sure you come in here and set up your banners. And so once you have set up all your banners, like I said, when someone comes in, the way this works, when someone comes in and clicks on your banner page, not only will you make $10 instant cash going straight to your PayPal account, because this is direct member to member. This is why I say it's very important that you upgrade in this program. And so what they'll see is this banner board. And when they see this banner board, your banner is going to be right here at the top. So when they click on that banner, you're going to earn more credits. And this just constantly snowballs. And actually, the good thing about this, once you are an upgraded member, as you can see, they have a count of 24,000 members. So actually, what they also do for you when you upgrade is they actually put your page, they actually put your banners are actually rotating on all members' pages at one time or another. So that's just more exposure, more exposure, more exposure. Because so you can't afford to miss out on that. But you want to make sure you have that set up because that's just going to create more exposure in itself. So while you are creating traffic, you're creating even more traffic, even by using this, you know. And I'm trying to see plan. I'm actually trying to look for that so you can actually see this for yourself. See, it says right here, all upgraded members have their banners rotated also in spots 7 and 8 on all members' pages. So you can't afford, that's 20,000, that's 24,000 people. So just by when somebody comes in and clicks on that, and you have put in your URL, the traffic ad bar URL, and you're using that URL. So once they click on that banner, that's a lot of exposure. And that's just going to create more traffic for you because your traffic is just going to be multiplying at this point. And let me check the time because I think I'm pretty much out of time, but I just wanted to share that with you uh, in the next video. So you need to actually have that set up, but I just wanted to explain to you what was going on once your page is being shown. And once they start showing your page, you are actually creating more exposure for yourself. So when this is set up correctly, it's designed to do one thing and one thing well, and that's multiply your traffic. So in a normal traffic exchange, what happens is you go in, you either buy a credit or you work for a credit. So what most people do at a traffic exchange is they go to the traffic exchange, they surf an ad, and in turn they get a credit. And then what they do with that credit is they try to promote their whatever business they're trying to promote or program. They're trying to either promote a program or they're trying to either sell a product. So that's and so the chances of you actually selling that product or promoting that product is going to be real slim due to the fact everybody's in here with doing the same thing. They work for credit, and they take that credit in return. They use that credit to promote a product or a service, and and then what they end up doing is when they see that they're not getting no good results after doing this thousands upon thousands of times, and they're not really getting no good results, then what they do is they say, this product ain't no good, I can't sell this, and then they jump from one program to the next. And all the time not realizing it's not the product that's faulty, it's your system that's faulty. So once you have a system that actually generates more credits than it started off with, so when you go to a traffic exchange and you view someone's site and in turn they show your site, what happens with your site is you just earn more credits. So while the average person will be out of credits because you surf one time or whatever the ratio is, if you surf 2 times to have your ad showed once, then once your ad is shown, then that's the end of the story. That's it. But the way yours is set up, once your ad is shown, you walk away with more credits than you actually started off with. So that's what makes this method so powerful. And I'm down to 14 minutes. And so I just wanted to make sure you have the rest of that set up properly, so you know what your page is capable of doing, and that's multiplying traffic. So that's gonna do it for this video. In the next video, what I'm gonna show you is how to create a capture page, because we're gonna have to do something with all these credits that we're racking up, because we're gonna be racking them up by the thousands. So now I'm gonna show you how to cipher off some of those credits and actually start building you a list. So this system is foolproof. So just go down to the next video and we're going to get started on that. My name is Jeff. This is the Ultimate Biz Booster, and I'll see you on the next video.